How to dash in Blox Fruits Xbox controller. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to dash in Blox Fruits using an Xbox controller. Dashing is an essential mechanic for both combat and exploration. So if you've been having trouble with it, this video will help you master it in no time. So let's jump right into it. Alright, first things first, let's talk about why dashing is important. Dashing helps you move faster, dodge enemy attacks, and close the gap when you're fighting other players or bosses. To dash, you'll need to use two buttons on your Xbox controller. The first one is the left stick. You'll need to push the left stick in the direction you want to dash. Simple enough, right? Now for the next step, press and hold A. When you do that, your character will start to dash in the direction you're holding the left stick. It's that simple. And that's it. Now you know how to dash in Blox Fruits using your Xbox controller.